So these are taken from an old computer, and again, if you have a look at the unmaking video on scavengerlabs.org, you can see some more information about that. And this is quite good practice for learning how to strip the wires. So I want to get the scissors to bite into the plastic, cut through it. So I'm applying some pressure, but not too much. I want to cut around, and then I really want to just grab it with the scissors, grab that plastic. I'm pulling on the cable this way, and I'm pulling with the scissors outwards, and hopefully the plastic will break before the metal. There we go. You can see it's all separate strands. So again, just twist it around there. It makes it stronger. Now we've got a nice connection on the end. So on this one, I'm going to put a paper clip. So these two parts of the paper clip we can use a bit like a crocodile lead. So I'm going to put the other side of it halfway along the exposed metal, bend it over, and now I'm just going to twist it around several times until it gets difficult to twist, and that's just tighten up that wire onto the paper clip. Alright, that's one crocodile lead connection. So on the other end, I use the cable cutters here. Again, you could use the scissors. It's not very good for them. Now the other kind of wire strippers I've got here, they're similar to scissors. It's the same kind of technique, but they're just molded, they're just shaped just right to do this. So it's much easier. Maybe I'll do a bulldog clip on the other end, just so we got one of each on this one. Some bulldog clips that are painted may not conduct. I've tested these ones and they work fine. So again, we want to really twist it around there until it's nice and tight. There we have a crocodile lead. So if you can't find any crocodile leads or bits of wire, it is possible to just botch your own wire out of tin foil, or just twist it around and it gets a little bit stronger, but you have to be quite gentle. I'm going to tighten that up and then just use a bulldog clip like before, and there you go, your own homemade wire.